How long does it take to withdraw from Skrill to bank account? Skrill, a popular online payment platform, offers a convenient way to transfer funds globally. One of the most frequently asked questions regarding Skrill is the time it takes to withdraw money to a bank account. While the speed of withdrawals can vary depending on several factors, understanding the process and potential delays can help users manage their finances effectively. A surprising fact about Skrill is that it was originally launched in 2001 under the name Moneybookers. This early entry into the online payment market has allowed Skrill to establish itself as a trusted and reliable platform. Another interesting statistic reveals that millions of users worldwide rely on Skrill for their online transactions. The time required for a Skrill withdrawal to reach a bank account is influenced by several factors. Firstly, the chosen withdrawal method plays a significant role. Bank transfers typically take longer than other options, usually ranging from 1 to 5 business days. This delay is primarily due to the time it takes for the funds to be processed by both Skrill and the recipient's bank. Secondly, the location of the user and the recipient's bank can impact the withdrawal speed. Cross-border transfers may encounter additional processing time as funds are transferred between different financial institutions and potentially across international borders. Additionally, the specific policies and procedures of the involved banks can influence the processing time. Thirdly, the security measures implemented by Skrill can contribute to withdrawal delays. To protect user funds and prevent fraudulent activities, Skrill may conduct additional verification checks or impose temporary holds on withdrawals. These measures are essential for safeguarding the platform's integrity, but can slightly extend the processing time. To expedite the withdrawal process, users can ensure that their bank account information is accurate and up to date. Providing correct details reduces the likelihood of delays caused by incorrect routing numbers or account information. Furthermore, verifying one's identity through the required documentation can help streamline the withdrawal process and minimize potential delays. In conclusion, the time it takes to withdraw from Skrill to a bank account can vary depending on several factors, including the withdrawal method, geographic location, and security measures. By understanding these factors and taking proactive steps to provide accurate information and verify one's identity, users can generally expect a smooth and timely withdrawal process. While occasional delays may occur, Skrill's commitment to security and reliability ensures that funds are ultimately transferred safely and efficiently.